Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit to general category to find Save Location Info option at the second position. It allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo. To check its location we have to tap to the center so we can get access to gallery options. Now let's move to right corner at the bottom and tap to details. Here at the last place we have location with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. We can also tap to it and go directly to Google Maps to check our location at map. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.